taste like dirt.
I knew TV was just a big conspiracy to control everyone's minds. I'm not talking to you. You keep watching.
He's pretending to be Sonic again.
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
Well, then put it in the blender.
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog, not the baby!
How about I bake up a batch of my famous cookies and put them on the windowsill? Sonic will smell them and come to steal one, but he won't know that they're laced with poison.
What happened? I haven't felt this horrible since I accidentally saw Comedy Chimp's swimsuit calendar. Ugh. November. This place is deserted and depressing. It's Amy's poetry slam all over again. Am I... Tails, you here? Maybe he's with Amy. I guess it's my own fault. You snooze, you lose.
Experiment take 2. Operation Rocket Skates.
Hold on. My head's still pounding from the last go. He said go! Wait, what?
Oh no, Sonic! You scuffed my skates!
Doesn't look so bad.
Does inconclusive mean the same thing as hilarious?
You know what they say, no pain, no gain.
I'm sorry if this was painful for you, Tails.
My ultrasonic speed amplifier. Spare me your half-hearted applause. When you see what this baby can do, your applause will be at least 3/4-hearted.
Those are just phony baloney buzzwords to fool the simple-minded.
Blast processing technology? Oh, gimme!
Are you serious? After all you put me through this morning? Absolutely!
How you feeling, Sonic?
Like a hummingbird on his third espresso. Tails, you're a genius. But how about a little more juice?
Good idea. And I'll up the levels, too.
Faster!
Maybe we should...
I know it was you,
It wasn't me, it was him!
but him is you.
He's going so fast that he's appearing 2 places at once.
Let's go faster! Tails, crank it!
We push it in.
Do it! Eggman, show yourself! I'll give you to the count of 3 to come out, and then I start breaking stuff. 1, 2...
What the snap happened to my wall?
You brought this upon yourself, Egghead!
Oh man, when they see this, the mods at the Phantom Finders message board are gonna regret banning you.
Those preteen tyrants are drunk with power. I didn't say retreat. Come back here.
Say we grab a Meb Burger to celebrate our victory.
Wait for me!
Awkward?
Awkward.
Knuckles! I've got sugar plums up in here.